I have my green on for a reason. Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy St. Patrick's Day. To all of those of you that are actually Irish, happy St. Patrick's Day. To those of you that are pretending to be Irish today, happy St. Patrick's Day to you too. Fun fact, I'm actually Irish. My mom is Irish, so I have a little bit of Irish in me. So my mom loves St. Patrick's Day. Hey Mom. Hey. Every single year for St. Patrick's Day, my mom makes corned beef and cabbage. So this year we are embracing a little bit of the Irish in me, and we are, and have, if you haven't already seen it, we are doing a couple of Irish St. Patty's Day videos. I did a video, a very glittery video way back when, and it got featured on TV, and it was really cool. I don't know, I felt like, I don't think I did anything for St. Patrick's Day last year, so I was like, let's bring a little green back into my life here. Green skincare today is what we are doing. We've got a little gold skincare in there too, all in St. Patty's Day fun. So I put together a skincare routine, you guys, today to hang out with you guys. Check out some new skincare, see how all these skincares go together. Yes, every single time I do a skincare video like this, I am testing the waters, and I'm putting my skin on the line for you guys for fun, because skincare should be fun, not boring. So with all that being said, that's what we're doing today. We are doing a full green skincare video. I'm excited to sit down and film this and get this makeup off my face. Happy St. Patty's Day for the 5th time, and let's get into it. Mwah. Gotta take these lashes off. Oh, this feels so good. Yes, yes. First things first, I have this DHC olive oil cleansing oil. I have used this before. I usually don't use oils like these outside of the shower just because of how messy they are, but oh, it's green. It was the only green like oil cleanser I had. Oh, here we go. It literally looks like olive oil. I wonder if there's anything else in here besides olive oil. It does smell like olive oil too. Get off my face, cleaning my face, getting the makeup off my face. To cleanse our face, I'm going to be using the Elmas Superfood facial wash. Actually, all of the Elmas Superfood, the entire Superfood line is all green, if you guys were wondering. Not necessarily the product itself, but all of the bottles are green because they're all superfood, natural, fun stuff. We're going to be using another Superfood product later on in the video too. Okay, this guy is supposed to be an exfoliating peel off mask. It's got little green beads in it. Alright, so we're gonna let this dry and then we're gonna peel it off. We are back. Yeah, we did it. I feel like I accomplished something by ripping that all off in one piece. My face feels nice and soft. Now we're gonna apply 2 masks together. We have the Elmas Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, as well as the Wonder Beauty as well as the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So we're gonna use these together. Gold, green, St. Patty's Day. Got it, get it, got it, good. Okay, let's do it. Alright, so I'm going to leave these on until they are dry, maybe about 10-20 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and we'll finish off this skincare routine for St. Patty's Day. The next product I'm going to be using is the Lancome Energie de Vie. This is a La Lotion Riche, the refining and invigorating intense lotion. It's kind of like your lotion toner, so we're going to put this on all over our face. I'm going to be using 2 different serums. I'm going to be using the Body Shop Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Daily Solution for blemished skin, and I'm going to be mixing a little bit of the Niacinamide Booster from Paula's Choice with it. So this guy is going to really help with acne and clearing anything that we have on our face. I know it looks like I don't have any, but we got the niacinamide. Literally such an amazing product from Paula's Choice. All of the boosters, but especially this one, I hear nothing but good things about. Then for eye cream, I have the Innisfree Intensive Hydrating Eye Cream. This is really, really great if you have super dry under eyes, but your under eyes are sensitive. This is the cream for you. For our face cream, we're going to use the Lancome Absolute Cream Fondant. Just a soft cream. And last but not least, we have our lip balm. This is the Image Skincare or Medic Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex. Okay guys, that's it for this skincare routine for St. Patty's Day. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. If you're celebrating St. Patty's Day, let me know what you're up to or what you've done already or what you did this weekend. Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know your favorite green skincare product. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen and check out all of my other videos right here on the side. Love you guys. Happy St. Patrick's Day, and I will see you soon.